It's Sunday, November 28th, the Sunday after Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I'm putting this short video up about camp chicken recipe, a recipe I learned from Stan, with whom I traveled for about 6 weeks this past summer. Jip and treat up on YouTube and Instagram, as he would say, like and subscribe. The camp chicken is a great recipe. It's simple, it's fast, and it's very versatile. You can use the chicken on in various ways. I use it in my salad every night. You can make sandwiches, and it keeps several days in your fridge. So it's very practical. I'm in Chicago right now. I'm going to get back on the road probably in April or so. Until then, I'm going to put up little short videos about various aspects of Rhonda. Rhonda currently is going through a change in its rear suspension configuration. I found out that the 2-inch Mopar lift that I have is a bit too mushy for the weight that I carry when I'm on the road. So I'm remedying that, and I think it's going to be good, and it's a good remedy. I'll talk about it in a future video. So I'm going to put up little videos about various aspects, things that I've done to Rhonda and things that I've changed and things that I would have done different if I were to do it again. Meanwhile, enjoy this video. So we are going to do some chicken today. Chicken strips. Pan is heating, and I'm going to add some of this roasted garlic and herbs to the chicken as needed. Probably just going to sprinkle it over it as I add to the fire. It's just like that. So mix it. My pan is small, so I have to be careful how much I put in there. So I think that's going to be it for now. Boy, that looks really.
How's it coming along there, Nima?
It's coming along.
Man, does that smell good.
I don't have a cover. It would have been a lot easier with cover, but with no cover, you just have to deal with it as is.
But I'll tell you that sure smells good from here.
Good. $137. $160. It's getting there.
It's getting there. Not quite. Yeah, you want to check it?
Yeah.
Can never be too safe. So, what temperature should
168.
poultry be?
165.
165, right?
Yeah. One.
So that big piece maybe not, but that little stuff you can probably start pulling off, right?
Yeah, 169. Yeah. Small guys can go.
All right. Leave that little guy in there for a minute or two more.
Oops. just gonna leave these guys.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.